The descent begins toward a World War II Hawker Hurricane.
Time and salt have transformed the aircraft into a fragile relic.
Documentation comes before any intervention.
The engine shifts the center of gravity forward.
Steel tubes carry strength, skin does not.
Right.
Only reinforced sections can take load.
Years of settling have locked the aircraft in place.
Sediment removal replaces brute force. Structure is freed without shifting position.
Visibility must recover before proceeding.
Models change as resistance drops.
Yeah, we can.
Soft slings protect weakened structure. Forces are distributed across strong members.
Bending loads are minimized.
Movement is damped before lifting. Forces are checked before separation.
The seabed finally lets go.
Clear. Stability is confirmed.
Speed is the enemy of preservation.
Resume lift.
The ascent continues under constant monitoring. Rotation is corrected before it grows.
Wings catch every movement of water.
Small changes prevent big stresses. Water density shifts affect lift behavior.
Support is ready before touchdown. Drying accelerates damage.
Loads transfer to the cradle. Rigging is relaxed gradually.
Nothing is allowed to shift.
Second phase begins.
Salt is the long-term enemy. Hidden spaces are cleared. Strength hours matter after recovery. Strength is measured, not assumed. Every fragment tells part of the story. Non-structural surfaces are separated for care.
Nothing moves without a record.
Condition is hidden at the joints.
Data guides every decision.
Original strength cannot be assumed.
This mine's a pretty bold thing was better. That's my suit fitting.
Modern supports carry historic weight.
Precision prevents stress.
Loads shift to the new structure. Stability comes first. The heaviest component is treated apart. Damage is rarely visible from outside.
Preservation is a long process.
Every step is traceable. Original methods guide replacements.
Kwijt je en ik van de Andrew Zaderbal moeten. Echt maar crazy.
Preservation sets limits.
The aircraft will rest, not fly. Intervention is minimal. History is confirmed. Movement finally stops.
The journey from seabed to memory is complete.
Preservation depends on environment.
Even light can cause damage.
Care does not end with display.
Small changes are detected early. Distance protects fragile history.
Engineering tells the story.
The aircraft speaks again.
Size and fragility are revealed. Every section carries history.
Knowledge is preserved alongside metal.
Wartime construction shows through.
Restraint defines the project.
Distance changes understanding.
The seabed chapter is acknowledged. Ocean gives way to stillness.
Survival replaces service.
Decay is slowed, not erased.
The aircraft endures as evidence.
From seabed to preservation, restraint defined success.
Time is visible in every layer. Nothing done today traps tomorrow. Loss is slowed without concealment. Every action is confirmed. Sea and museum records connect. Damage remains part of truth.
Preservation never concludes.
Protection continues unseen. Silence replaces depth.
Conditions remain controlled.
The aircraft's last resting place.
Context completes understanding. Even decay teaches.
Knowledge is passed on.
History reaches forward.
Protection resumes overnight. Redundancy ensures survival. Structure rests unchanged.
Care is documented.
The recovery becomes record.
Identity is fixed beyond doubt.
The operation formally concludes.
The structure remains legible.
Modern engineering carries old weight. Process matters as much as result. The ocean leaves its mark. Standing beneath reveals size.
Visitors are kept at a safe distance.
Preservation becomes education.
A pilot once sat here.
Ocean ended long ago.
Time no longer threatens it. The journey has resolved.
Standards have been met.
A survivor of urgency and war.